Deepsea Electronics is a leading UK-based manufacturer of electronic control solutions. For over 40 years, we've been setting the standard in control technology, combining our application knowledge with a passion for creating innovative products of the highest quality. We're committed to designing, developing and manufacturing all products from our UK headquarters. We utilise the most advanced production techniques through our high-speed surface mount lines, 3D optical inspection and automated through-hole placement, ensuring we produce exceptional products. Located worldwide, our specialist sales teams, technical support engineers and skilled distributors provide multilingual support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In a fast-moving marketplace, we're constantly evolving, improving and adapting our products, implementing the latest technologies and meeting new legislation, whilst maintaining product flexibility and ease of use. We value our customers and their opinions the most. We build successful, lasting relationships, giving our customers confidence that as their business evolves, we'll be there supporting them. We are DSE, the #1 choice for control solutions.